Hey guys, Live from Mr. here. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing a DIY ornament kit painting set. So basically here it is, like there's like a little snowflake and a stocking and some paint brushes and some little strings. Now we're just gonna open it. There we go. There it is. So alright guys, so right now we're set up. We have everything ready, and we have our water, our paint, our paper towel, our ornaments, and our paint brush. So first, we're gonna start with our stocking. We're gonna paint this little piece right here red. So red. Slowly just painting around it. So here we go. Here's right now. So I'm gonna go clean our brush off. Get our blue. We're gonna color this part here blue. There's our blue. Alright, let's grab our green right here. So put it right here on the little the other part of the stocking. There we go. There's our little stocking. Now time to move on to our snowflake. It's gonna be a little tricky because everything's kind of small. So I'm gonna paint all these little pieces like blue. Now, put our green. Let's make this. There's our little flower, star, whatever you want to call it, the green. So now we need to go around. That's going to be the tricky part because we don't want to mix the colors together. So let's get our ornament. So we got it outlined, some red. we're done right here with our snowflake. So we added red to surround it, around the whole thing. We added a green thing in the middle, and then put some green little rectangles everywhere. And we outlined the things with blue. So we are done. Here's both of our ornaments, and we're gonna be hanging them on the tree. But first, we have to do this. We have to tie these. All right, guys. So here we go. Here are our ornaments. We're gonna be hanging them on the tree. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.